If you need two separate control points for your heater, this is how you do it. By using this module wire, you can connect push control with AUTOTERM comfort control or boiler control panels. This is the wiring that comes originally with the heater. It connects to the heater right here. Next, you need to connect the push control module. And to it we need to connect the module wire I showed previously. Disconnect the original wire from the comfort control and instead of that, connect the module wire. With this setup, the heater will follow the settings of the last used control panel, either the push control or comfort panel. Learn more on autoterm.com.